This new method to use AI in Zillow feels like cheating in wholesaling real estate. I mean, you go to ChatGPT and it will scrape the updated Zillow for sale by owner listings and find you the best wholesaling real estate deals. It's so simple to use. You don't need any money, no analysis, and you can start lowballing sellers and making a ton of money in wholesaling real estate. The thing is, most wholesalers just go to Zillow and they just call as many for sale by owner listings, and that's why they struggle. The truth is, I've been experimenting with ChatGPT, comping properties and analyzing for sale by owner listings for years now. And just now it's gotten to the point where AI, ChatGPT, can analyze these deals in a good manner so you could start getting wholesaling real estate deals. Now, this breakthrough is awesome because it almost mimics the way that I look at wholesaling real estate deals. You see, on average, decent wholesaler will probably have to call 30, maybe 40 Zillow for sale by owner listings to get one good real estate wholesaling deal or one seller who's willing to take a discount. But when I do a live stream and I just pop up Zillow and I start calling these leads, 1 out of 7 at most ends up being a really good wholesaling deal. Because the truth is, I can always lowball these people like crazy, and usually I get them accepted. 1 out of 6, 1 out of 7. Now, why in the world am I better than you and I'm getting a 6, 7, or 8 times better results than you? Is it because I'm young, tall, jacked, and rich? Yes. But also, it's because I know exactly which Zillow for sale by owner listings to go look at and talk to, and the ones you shouldn't be talking to at all. And what I'm going to do today is give you the exact prompts to put in ChatGPT so you can analyze these deals just like me so you can find the best wholesaling real estate deals. But before I break it down, you got to do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So going and using AI in Zillow, it's pretty dang easy, okay? Just ask ChatGPT to find you some good deals, wholesaling on FSBOs, and you'll be good. But the thing is, ChatGPT doesn't know what you're looking to do. Are you looking for a rental property, a fix and flip? You gotta let it know exactly what you want, and specifically wholesaling real estate deals. Now, I'm assuming you're watching this video and you're probably virtual, maybe a little nationwide stuff, or maybe just in your own dang market. So there's 2 schools of thoughts here. School of thought number 1, if you're doing your own real estate market, so you're doing Houston, Dallas, right? You live in Pennsylvania, you're going to do that whole region. You live in Tulsa, Oklahoma, so you're just going to do the Tulsa, Oklahoma area. Honestly, at this point, this video is probably not for you because you just call all the Tulsa Zillow for sale by owners. Let's see how many there are. I mean, there's only 41. So to be honest, I would just call all 41 and probably take you about 2 hours. And like, there's just not enough juice for the squeeze for one specific market. You can go through an entire market in a day calling Zillow for sale by owners. What I'd say is you should probably do all of Oklahoma, the entire state, in about a day or 2, scraping with AI. That's going to give you better results. We're going to ChatGPT here and analyze this. And so roughly without AI, remember I've been doing this before AI was a main thing. My general rule of thumb is you want Zillow for sale by owner listings over 100 days. The reasoning behind this is people usually list their Zillow for sale by owner listing when they want the most for their house. They just want to sell it, but they don't want to use a realtor, but they also want to get the most for it. Now, the problem lies, most people are going to overshoot what they want for the house. And so the first 20, 30 days of the listing, they get 1 million calls from realtors, investors, wholesalers trying to lock up the deal or a realtor trying to list it. And they feel like they got all this activity and all this interest in their property. And the funniest part about it is like they get the sense of their house is popular. And everyone knows like the first 30 days for the listing is great, but after that, goes down to nothing. And usually at that like 60, 70 day mark, they get nothing. And at that point, there's like a precipice, right? There's like a fork in the road. Either they got to take the listing off or, hey, like I need to sell this house for cash. Like I need to get out of here. I listed this for sale by owner because I need to go to Washington State to take care of grandma. And now they're like, I got 20 days, I got 30 days. I got to get rid of this thing now. I'm getting no activity because the first 60 days they were being greedy. And then usually about day 70, 80, 90, 100, now there's going to be some of those sellers that are like, I need to sell it for cash. That is the exact archetype that you were looking for to wholesale real estate on Zillow. Now the issue, there's a lot of frogs to go out here and kiss to go get your prints, your wholesaling deal. And here's where the problem lies. If you just call listings over 100 days, you're going to find plenty of those deals, but you're still going to call some pretty annoying, crazy people. And so that's where AI comes into play and starts analyzing hundreds of these listings in real time so you can find the best ones. So let's let's use the state of Oklahoma for example here, and let's go use the AI to figure it out. What we're gonna do here is go to ChatGPT and we're gonna write this prompt in. Find me the top Zillow for sale by owner listings that you think the seller will want to sell for a discount of at least 20 to 40% off list price in exchange for a cash sale. I'm looking to wholesale to a buyer, so no markets where that will be tough. Do all of Oklahoma right now. And then what's very important here is we're going to also put an emphasis on price cuts. And let's go out here and see. The point of this is, you remember, you want them to want to give you a discount. And what the AI is doing is not looking for ugly houses, because there's plenty of ugly houses that people aren't looking to sell it. You're looking for sellers based off the description, the photos, where we think they'll take an actual significant discount off the list price. We like to put an emphasis on price cuts, especially multiple price cuts over a long period of time, signifying they get it, prices need to be going down on it. And let's go see what it says. So this one right here, 3101 Shore Drive, price cut, wholesale cash target. You've already reduced it. You want certainty, speed. I can close as is. These are all good. Now we have price cuts set in, wholesale cash targets. Those are great. Looks like they're putting too much emphasis on the price cut, so we're going to get rid of the price cut. Now for houses without that emphasis on price cuts, where you think they will sell for a big discount to me. And so we're going to get rid of the price cut emphasis on here. Let's see the big difference here, because I like when the AI tells you why they came up with it without just telling you it's a price cut. So right here we got these addresses. So 222 days on Zillow. Acreage can be slower to sell. Long days on market. Low price point. Strong interest. Read the descriptions and show me ones in Texas. So let's try Texas out here, for example. Now it's going to be basing this on seller already knows retail buyers are scarce at that price. Doing in here. Now you see, this is the thing. The AI is just going to tell you the address, but you need to report back to you why you think it's discounted. So this one here in Houston, this one's a fire damage as is, cha-ching, perfect. You have to sift through a lot of FSBOs to find that. This one needs a new roof. That's awesome. This one, manufactured home, lot rent. I do not like lot rent. Tiny home on leased land, no. Seller vacating, price cut, perfect. Owner financing angle, awesome, awesome. These look pretty good. This one needs to move out quickly. Let's look at this address. Okay, house is damaged in a fire, sold as is. Yeah, this guy's still crazy on his price. So the reason for this, I mean, looking at this listing, I mean, it's fire damage, needs a lot of work, right? Like, I get it needs a lot. Quite an interesting 3D scan. You'd have to lock this up for like 20 or 30. And the point is, you call this guy up and make the offer. And even if you look at the price changes, he probably hasn't changed his price. Oh, he has, because he's crazy. So he's at 120. Now he's at 96. He went down $20,000 here. So let's try to lock it up for like $50,000. Sell it to a buyer at like 55, make a quick $5,000, and thank AI for giving us this deal. That's exactly how you start using ChatGPT and Zillow to find the best wholesaling deals. Remember, you just don't go to ChatGPT and say, find me the best FSBOs. You want to have the AI analyze all the listings, look at the pictures, read the descriptions, and tell you which ones are going to be the best for wholesaling, which ones are most likely going to take a discount, and exactly tell me why. And you got to make sure they're in areas where cash buyers want to buy. See, doing all four of those all together, the AI can scrape in seconds right there for you. And if you can call 1 out of like 5, 1 out of 6 of these, and you just lowball them, you build that rapport, there's a 100% chance you're going to have some success here. And my last bonus tip for you is, while you're calling these sellers, go record yourself on your computer and then upload the MP3 to ChatGPT and have ChatGPT critique you and make you even better on the phone and make you a little wholesale real estate coach. Because I do have a real estate wholesaling AI coaching bot inside of ChatGPT that I give everyone for free. And it's based off of every single video I've ever dropped on this YouTube channel. So if you upload that MP3 to that AI, it's going to coach you for free and make you more like me, which make you a lot more richer and successful wholesaling real estate. If you want to go access that, just go to ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, search wholesaling real estate, and right there, you can start using our free ChatGPT plugin, where our trained ChatGPT bot will train you for free to make you a killer over the phones and for you to get a wholesaling real estate deal. This AI is trained off of every single closing I've ever given you guys for free, and every Zillow for sale by owner, probably thousands of hours of it, so you can be more like me and start closing more deals. So now with AI, we taught you how to find the deals. Now this AI is going to help you close the deals. What's next? How to dispo them, and just go to the for rent section, find the buyers, and you'll be ready for success. So guys, this feels like cheating. It's so easy. It's so simple. And if you got any value from this video, video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.